Hi, this is Naman Tiwari from Bennett University, and I'm going to present the presentation on pattern recognition. These are the contents of the presentation, which is introduction, pattern recognition, applications, and conclusion. Pattern recognition is a branch of artificial intelligence. Human can recognize the faces without worrying about the varying illuminations. When implementing such recognition artificially, it becomes very complex task. The field of AI has made this task possible. Pattern is a set of objects or phenomena or concepts where the elements of the set are similar to another in certain ways or aspects. A pattern is an entity that could be given a name, example fingerprint, image, handwritten word, human face, etc. These are the few phases of pattern recognition. Phase 1 sensing, phase 2 segmentation, phase 3 feature extraction, phase 4 classification, phase 5 post processing. And these are the advantages of pattern recognition. Pattern recognition solves classification problem. Pattern recognition solves problems of fake biometric detections. It is useful for cloth pattern recognition for visually. It helps in speak duration. We can recognize particular objects from different angles. A synthetic pattern recognition approach is complex to implement and it is very slow process. Sometimes to get better accuracy, a large data set is required. It cannot explain why a particular object is recognized. Example, my face versus my friend's face. Pattern recognition. Pattern recognition is a procedure of processing, analyzing diverse information, numerical, literal, logical, characterizing the objects or phenomena so as to provide description, identification, classification, or and interpretation for them. Perceive plus process plus prediction. Process. Learn to distinguish patterns of interest from their background. Prediction. Make sound and reasonable decisions about the categories of the pattern. Pattern recognition system. Design model of pattern recognition system essentially involves four following steps: data acquisition and pre-processing, data representation, feature extraction, and decision making. These are the pattern classes. A pattern class is a set of pattern sharing common attributes, a collection of similar, not necessarily identical objects. During recognition, given objects are assigned to prescribed classes. These are the pattern recognition models. Statistical model. Pattern recognition systems are based on statistics and probability. Synthetic model. Structural models for pattern recognition and are based on relation between features. Here the patterns are represented by structures. Template matching model. In this model, a template or a prototype of pattern to be recognized is available. Neural network modeling. An artificial neural network AAN is self-adaptive trainable process that is able to learn and resolve complex problems based on available knowledge. These are the classifications of the models. The first one is supervised training or learning. In supervised training or learning, here we learn about the shape and the color and we classify them. Unsupervised learning. Here we identify patterns in datasets containing data points which are not classified or labeled. These are the applications of pattern recognition. These are the few examples of character recognition. Pattern recognition also used in text characterization and it is also used in signature recognition. Face detection is also a very good example of pattern recognition. Pattern recognition processing. First we have data, then we do the training of the data. We do remove noise and everything from the data to build the system. Then we test the data and check the correctness of the data. Training and learning in pattern recognition. Training set. The training set is used to build a model. It consists of the set of images that are used to train the system. Training rules and algorithms are used to give relevant information and how to associate input data with output decisions. The system is trained by applying these algorithms to the dataset. All relevant information is extracted from the data, and generally 80% of the dataset is taken for training data. Testing set is used to test the system. It is the set of data that is used to verify whether the system is producing a correct output after being trained or not. Generally, 20% of the data set is used for testing. Testing data is used to measure accuracy of the system. For example, testing data is used to measure the accuracy of the system. For example, a system that identifies which category a particular flower belongs is able to identify 7 categories of the flower correctly out of 10, and the rest of the other is wrong, then the accuracy is 70%. These are the future works which can be done in pattern recognition: frequency domain or wavelet domain, image compression method to face recognition, video based face recognition, adding color factor into face recognition. Conclusion: template matching is simple to implement, but template size must be small to decrease computational decay. Statistical methods highly depend on assumptions of distributions. Neural networks can adaptively refine and classified, and the decisions surpassed in principle can be arbitrarily implemented. Symmetric method concerned a structural sense to encode, but additional process to define primitives are required. Thank you.